I think this is a hilarious term because you'll know exactly what it means as soon as I write it. But this is an actual scientific term, pure substance. Don't you love it when actual scientific terms actually make sense?
Yes.
So what do you think is true about a pure substance? It's pure, meaning what? Only one kind of thing in there, right? How many of you like to go to the store and buy purified water? Right? So the funny, ironic thing about purified water is that it's actually not a pure substance, because unless you're buying distilled water, there's little like minerals and like calcium and stuff in there that make the water taste better. Like, here's another fun little homework assignment for you. Go taste some actual distilled water sometime. You can buy it at the store. It'll kind of taste funny to you. What? No, in fact, my mom likes to drink distilled water.
I remember in during my science teacher, she said, like pure H2O can like kill you.
Well, anything can kill you if you drink too much of it.
Drink too much water.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can die from water poisoning. Okay, all right. Come on, guys, we got to finish this. I don't want this to take forever. All right, pure substance. Come on. Shh. Only has one kind of, and I'm going to actually use the word here, particle. But we all really know that that means material, right? So I'm going to put that too. Or stuff. Material. Whatever you kind of like there. So like an example would be distilled water, right? Do you know how they make distilled water, by the way? They boil it so that the steam comes out, and they catch the steam, and they like the steam, like, you know, like they turn it back into liquid again. So that really literally it's nothing but water. Right? So that's how you make distilled water. Okay? It's H2O. And opposed to having something that is not distilled water, which is practically all the water you ever buy anywhere else, it's not called distilled because it has a little bit of minerals and things, different kinds of things in it. In fact, anybody got a water bottle right now? Like Nestle or something? Read the ingredients to it and see what it says. Has anybody got some Dasani?
Chris has a Kirkland.
Salt? Dasani puts salt in their water.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
They do it to make you buy more.
I don't think that's true.
That would
No,
make
it
sense.
is.
It makes salt dehydrated.
It doesn't put that much salt in you.
With minerals added for taste.
Wait, say that again, Chris. Are you guys listening? Are you guys listening?
Shut up.
Slow down.
It says with minerals added for taste.
See? Minerals added for taste is not pure. This is not a pure substance. Okay? This is actually a mixture. I bet you can guess what a mixture is.
I'm pretty sure like you know how they said that steam stuff? Doesn't like some tiny bit of like debris, like I mean like not debris, but like minerals still get evaporated? Like I mean that's
Sure, but they do it in a controlled situation so that doesn't happen.
okay.
Yeah. Make sure that you go back on Canvas later and catch the tail end of these notes, okay?
Okay.
There'll be a video on Canvas later. All right? So an example here would be drinking water. What is an example of a mixture that you encountered in the lab? Salt water. Sandy salt water. All of those things are mixtures, right? What was an example of a pure substance that you encountered during the lab? Sand. Salt.
Yeah.
Water. The tap water actually is probably technically a mixture, but that's the idea, right? Make sense? All right. Last thing here, and then I'll show you something cool and then we'll be done. There are technically two types of mixtures. I always forget how to spell this. I think it has an E here. This E, I can't remember if that belongs there or not. Homogeneous mixture. This is a kind of a difficult definition, but the important thing to know is that it evenly mixes up. Okay? An example would be like lemonade. Yeah. Okay? Or salt water. Right? When you mix it up, like it's evenly mixed, like if you take a sample from this side versus from that side, it's the same, right? And the other kind of mixture, am I going too fast here? What? Just turn the thing off. It's for second hour. The other kind of mixture is called this.
Is it the genes type stuff?
It's the same prefixes as the genetics thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because this means same and this means different. That's why it's the same word roots.
Yeah. Wait, I'd like to know about the genes again for like the class.
All right, an example here. Hey, where did you have a mixture in your, hey, are you guys with me here? Come on. Where did you have a mixture in your lab that would not mix up? Sand and water, right? Here's another one for you. You know what this is?
Oil and water.
Poop water.